The firearms community spends millions of hours debating the same 10 platforms over and over again. Meanwhile, 7 pistols are sitting in the background, proven, capable, completely ignored. That silence isn't coincidence. It's a gap, and gaps in this space have consequences. If you're building a serious collection or trusting a sidearm with your life, overlooking these 7 isn't just an oversight. It's a mistake you can't afford to make. This video is for educational purposes only and does not promote harm or unsafe use of firearms. Number 7. Ruger American Pistol Compact. In a world where compact handguns often sacrifice strength for size, the Ruger American Pistol Compact quietly stands in the shadows, overlooked, underestimated, and rarely discussed. But that silence is exactly where the mistake begins. Built on Ruger's reputation for rugged American engineering, this pistol carries the DNA of a full-size duty weapon, compressed into a more concealable frame without losing its backbone. At its core, the striker-fired system delivers a clean, consistent trigger pull that feels deliberate rather than soft or unpredictable. The modular grip system allows shooters to adapt the fit, almost like the weapon is reshaping itself to your hand. Under stress, that matters more than most people realize. Its reinforced polymer frame absorbs recoil with surprising control, making rapid follow-up shots feel stable rather than chaotic. The slide is aggressively serrated, giving you a firm grip even in harsh conditions, rain, sweat, or pressure. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just a carry pistol. Number 6. FNX-45 Tactical. When most people talk about tactical handguns, they usually circle around the same familiar names. But the FNX-45 Tactical sits in a different category entirely. This isn't a pistol built to follow trends, it's engineered for operators who expect their weapon to perform in silence, under pressure, and without compromise. Developed by FN Herstal, a company deeply rooted in military firearm innovation, this handgun carries the weight of battlefield expectations. At first glance, it looks aggressive, almost intimidating. The suppressor-ready threaded barrel immediately signals its purpose, but the real story begins when you rack the slide. It feels heavy, deliberate, almost mechanical in a way that reminds you this isn't a toy, it's a duty-grade instrument. The polymer frame is reinforced for endurance, while the stainless steel slide resists corrosion and wear even after extended harsh use. Now here's where things change. The FNX-45 Tactical is optics-ready, allowing modern red dot integration, turning a traditional sidearm into a precision-focused platform. Combined with its high-capacity magazine in the 45 ACP, it delivers raw stopping power without sacrificing control. The trigger system offers both double-action and single-action modes, giving shooters flexibility in how they engage under stress. Number 5. HKP-30SK. There's a reason Heckler & Koch firearms are often described with a certain seriousness. They don't chase attention, they command respect. The HKP-30SK is a perfect example of that philosophy in compact form. At first glance, it looks like a simple concealed carry pistol. But that assumption fades the moment you understand what it's built on: a legacy of European law enforcement and military precision engineering. This compact variant of the P30 series carries the same DNA as its full-size counterpart used by security forces across the world. It was designed for environments where hesitation is not an option and mechanical failure is unacceptable. Encompassed. The moment you pick it up, the grip texture tells its own story: deep, aggressive, almost sculpted to lock into your hand under stress. But here's where it stands apart. The P30SK's ergonomic system is one of the most customizable in its class. Interchangeable backstraps and side panels allow the shooter to fine-tune the grip like a tailored suit. It doesn't just fit your hand, it adapts to it. The trigger system comes in multiple configurations, including DA, SA with a decocker, giving it a distinctly traditional yet tactical identity. Number 4. Kimber Micro 9. Small guns often come with a compromise. Either they feel like toys in the hand, or they lose control the moment the trigger breaks. The Kimber Micro 9 enters that conversation quietly, but it doesn't stay quiet for long once it's actually put to work. This pistol is Kimber's attempt to shrink a classic 1911 inspired soul into a concealed carry platform without stripping away its identity. At first glance, it looks almost elegant: slim, slide, compact frame, and a design that feels more refined than aggressive. But underneath that clean exterior is a very deliberate engineering choice: simplicity. Inspired heavily by the 1911 lineage, the Micro 9 carries a single-action trigger that breaks with a crisp, almost surgical precision. There's no mush, no confusion, just a clean wall and a decisive break. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Despite its size, the recoil management is surprisingly controlled for a 9mm in such a lightweight frame. The beveled slide edges, polished feed system, and tight internal tolerances all work together to keep cycling smooth and predictable. It doesn't fight you, it responds to you. The alloy frame keeps weight down for deep concealment, while still maintaining enough structure to feel solid in the hand. Grip texture is subtle, but it locks in better than you'd expect once pressure is applied. Number 3. Beretta PX4 Storm Compact. Some pistols earn their reputation in silence, not headlines, and the Beretta PX4 Storm Compact is exactly that kind of machine. It comes from Beretta's long military heritage, a company whose firearms have been carried in service for generations. But instead of chasing modern hype, this pistol focuses on something far more dangerous in the real world: mechanical balance under pressure. At first contact, the PX4 feels different. The rotating barrel system is the first clue that this isn't a standard compact handgun. Instead of traditional recoil cycling, the barrel actually rotates to manage energy distribution, softening the snap that usually comes with 9mm compact platforms. The result is control that feels almost unnatural for its size. But here's where it gets interesting. This system doesn't just reduce recoil, it changes the shooting rhythm entirely. Follow-up shots feel smoother, more planted, almost like the gun is absorbing and redirecting force instead of fighting it. That gives shooters a psychological advantage in fast, high-stress engagements where control can break down quickly. The polymer frame keeps the weight manageable, while the internal steel chassis adds structural strength where it matters most. Number 2. ZEV OZ9 Compact. The ZEV OZ9 Compact doesn't come from the old-world lineage of military contracts or decades of service history. Instead, it represents something more modern, a complete rethinking of what a striker-fired compact pistol can become when engineering is pushed without compromise. ZEV took the familiar Glock-style foundation and rebuilt it from the inside out, not to imitate success, but to refine it. At first sight, it looks clean, almost minimalist. But that simplicity is deceptive. The real innovation lies in its internal steel receiver system. Instead of relying purely on polymer flex, the OZ9 integrates a full-length steel chassis that stabilizes the entire firing system. The result is a pistol that feels unnervingly solid for its size, almost like a compact duty weapon compressed into a carry frame. But here's where it gets interesting: the recoil impulse. It doesn't snap the way most lightweight compacts do. Instead, it feels directed, controlled, like the energy is being guided back in a straight line rather than bouncing upward. That makes rapid follow-up shots noticeably tighter, especially under pressure when grip discipline starts to fade. The trigger system is another defining trait. ZEV's tuning gives it a short, clean break with a fast reset that encourages controlled speed without sacrificing predictability. Number 1. Glock 48. In a world crowded with over-engineered designs and tactical exaggeration, the Glock 48 takes a different path: restraint. It doesn't try to impress with complexity or reinvent the wheel. Instead, it refines one of the most trusted handgun platforms ever created and reshapes it into something built for real-world concealment. At first glance, it looks almost understated. A slim slide, a clean frame, and that unmistakable Glock simplicity. But that minimalism is exactly where its strength lives. The Glock 48 is essentially a long slide, slimline pistol designed to balance concealability with shootability in a way many compact handguns struggle to achieve. Now, here's where it gets interesting. That extended slide length gives the pistol a noticeably smoother recoil cycle. Compared to shorter subcompacts, the muzzle flip is reduced just enough to keep follow-up shots controlled, while still maintaining a profile that disappears under clothing. It's a quiet engineering decision that changes the entire shooting experience. The polymer frame is light but reinforced where it matters, keeping durability intact without adding unnecessary bulk. The grip is slim, almost single stack in feel, making it ideal for shooters who prioritize deep concealment over capacity. Outro. These pistols aren't just tools, they're decisions shaped by control, concealment, and survival. From compact power to tactical precision, each one carries a purpose most people overlook. So the real question is simple: if everything went wrong tomorrow, which one would you trust when it matters most?